see if you take it off again?
Oh, she doesn't? She wears cut too.
Oh shit, that's on the
Yeah.
Let's see the movie.
Mommy, what happened to you?
Ma, you're on camera.
No, don't put me on camera.
Picture.
I gotta ask my,
Boy, Ma, you look really big.
will you stop?
My dog sucking face.
With a younger
Must be a
dog.
lot of company.
Your dog's rocking the cradle, Joe.
Robbing.
Rock, rolling. Close up on the nails. Johnny, don't shoot another bird.
Why, didn't appreciate that last time?
No. Dawn. And she says she's cameraable today.
Filmable.
What?
Filmable.
Cameraable is my word for it.
Nikki. Come this way. Bear, come this way.
Bear.
Bear, this way. Nikki, I want you over here.
I think there's a girl dog around here. That's what I think. Because Bear always wants to leave. Ah. What's that? Oh. Bear, what's the matter? What's the matter? The two lovebirds.
But, Nikki, well, I'm gonna have you see together in 2 weeks. Why are you bothering me? Because you're not, she's not his type. Her career and he's got no money.
Dawn, say hello.
Hello, John.
No, no.
Say hello to you.
Yeah.
Hi, John. How are you?
Get it, now Joe.
Hi, Dawn, how are you?
No, no. Bear, what are your private thoughts? What do you like doing? How do you feel about nuclear war? Nikki!
Nikki, bear, bear. Bear, bear. Nikki. No, I'm cleaning my car with it.
Not the black cloth either.
Knick-knack. Boom.
Aha, foreign objects.
Come on, Bear, go play over there.
Run, play, jump. Enjoy life. Is that a hot dog?
Bear, just don't kill us for those great choking things.
Close up on Bear hair. Yeah, look at that beard. Bear, bear. What's that? What's the matter, Bear? This thing has a great zoom. Well, come on, get together. Or are you guys still busy and still running out of light? Oh, that's good.
It's action.
That's action, yeah. Let's get a close-up on that foliage. That's what it's called, foliage. Just moments ago, this was bare ground. Now springing with life.
Did you take that bake?
Yeah, you baked it.
Nick, get out of fridge.
Eat her cake. Don't open your mouth. Very attractive.
Why not?
Ready, boy?
Wanna what? Look at this, begging.
Take her down from there.
Yeah.
No.
Let's get a close-up of man and dog.
Beast and dog.
Beast and dog, right? Is that Dawn? No, it's Dawn, Joe. No, I didn't say it. Oh, now here's all four of them. A huge family thing. Look, she's just following. Come on, smooch scene right here. Yeah. Now-
Kiss me. Why? Why?
I wanna.
Why?
25 feet.
Hey, Matt. What's he doing? Nicky, baby! What's the billy?
The little tummy. Her feet go up in the air. Hey, let's see a big kiss.
Nick, 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 Nick.
Oh, look at the camera, kiss her. I see hair and more of another dog.
I'm gonna rub your belly.
She talks to dogs so well. I don't know how she
Nick,
does.
Nick, Nick,
I
Nick.
could-
Go, go, for Nick, Nick.
Taking off. These places you go to. Which plane is that?
I heard you. You haven't heard it. Where's your Nick can jump on the couch.
Oh, gee. Joe, Nikki jumped on the couch.